Beyond the Edge is taking 9 celebrities from their worlds of luxury to the jungles of Panama. Before the March 16 premiere, get to know the cast that's pushing themselves beyond their comfort zone. Beyond the Edge, hosted by Maura Ranallo, is taking 9 celebrities where they've never gone before. The cast of the new CBS series, which premieres March 16 at 9 p.m., is headed to the dangerous jungles of Panama where they'll be facing off in epic, and often muddy, adventures. This isn't going to be a simple picnic, though. The cast will battle brutal conditions in Panama. CBS is calling the show the most intense celebrity adventure ever attempted. The celebrities will be in Panama for 2 weeks where they'll have to withstand torrential downpours, scorching heat, and deadly wildlife. There are no judges or eliminations. For each challenge their teams win, the celebrities will raise more money for their chosen charities. At the end of the 2 weeks, the top 2 earners will face off in one final adventure to become the first Beyond the Edge champion and take home the most money for their charity. Meet the cast below. Alaina. Alaina, 27, is a country singer who rose to fame on American Idol. She was the runner-up on the 10th season of the show. Lauren has become one of the most talented women in country music. One of her best-known songs is a duet with Kane Brown called What If's. Her latest album, Sitting Pretty on Top of the World, was released in 2021. Lauren is raising money for the next door. Ray Lewis. Ray Lewis, 46, is a retired NFL player who spent his 17-year career with the Baltimore Ravens. The linebacker is a 2-time Super Bowl champion. Ray is raising money for Johns Hopkins Children's Center. Craig Morgan. Craig Morgan, 57, is a country music singer best known for songs like That's What I Love About Sunday, The Father, My Son and the Holy Ghost. He released his 10th album, God, Family, Country, in 2020. Craig is also a veteran of the United States Army. Craig is raising money for Operation Finally Home. Meta World Peace. Meta World Peace, 42, is a former NBA player. He played for a number of NBA teams over his career, including the Chicago Bulls, Los Angeles Lakers, and more. Meta won an NBA championship in 2010 while with the Lakers. Meta was a cast member on the first American version of Celebrity Big Brother. Meta is raising money for the Artest University. Paulina Korniskova. Paulina Korniskova, 56, is a former supermodel. She made history as the first woman in Central Europe to appear on the cover of a Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue. She was the face of Estee Lauder from 1988 to 1995. Paulina was also judged on America's Next Top Model for cycles 10 to 12. Paulina is raising money for the ACLU Foundation. Mike Singletary. Mike Singletary, 63, is a football coach and former NFL player. The linebacker played for the Chicago Bears from 1981 to 1992 and became a Super Bowl champion in 1986. After retiring from the NFL, Mike has coached for the Baltimore Ravens, San Francisco 49ers, and more. Mike is raising money for changing our perspective. Jody, Sweden. Jody Sweden, 40, is best known for playing Stephanie Tanner on Full House and the later sequel series Fuller House. Fuller House came to an end in 2020 after 5 seasons. Jody also has a podcast, Never Thought I'd Say, that she started in 2019. Jody is raising money for Girls Incorporated. Colton Underwood. Colton Underwood, 30, rose to fame after competing on The Bachelorette Season 14. He later became the Bachelor of The Bachelor Season 23. In April 2021, Colton publicly came out as gay. He got engaged to Jordan C. Brown in January 2022. Colton is raising money for the Colton Underwood Legacy Foundation. Ebony K Williams. Ebony K Williams is a television host who currently hosts State of the Culture on Revolt TV. She was previously a correspondent for CBS News and a contributor for Fox News. She was a co-host of Fox News Specialists in 2017. Ebony joined the cast of The Real Housewives of New York City for its 13th season, becoming Loney's first Black cast member. Ebony is raising money for Safe Horizon,